In this video, you will learn how to fix checkout page 404 error on Woocommerce. If you're getting the 404 error on Woocommerce checkout page, follow these simple steps. First, go to settings and permalinks in your WordPress dashboard. Simply click save changes without making any changes. This will refresh your URL and fix any permalink issues causing the 404 error. If the error still persists, go to WooCommerce settings in advanced. Ensure that the checkout page is properly assigned under the page setup section. If the page is missing or not letting you select the correct page or create a new one, go to pages in WordPress dashboard. Then check the checkout page if it exists. If it goes missing, go to WooCommerce, status and tools. Now click on the default WooCommerce page to restore it. Sometimes plugins can also affect the 404 error, so deactivate all of your plugins that you recently have installed. Then reactivate the plugin one at a time to identify the plugin that causes this issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.